Hey, welcome to InvestWiseAU, the place where we make investing easy and stress-free. Today, we're breaking down one of the most common beginner questions in Australia. Which app is better? Stake, Raiz, or Spaceship? They all help you start investing with just a few bucks, but they work in very different ways. So let's find out which one's right for you. And hey, before we dive in, if you're into investing tips made simple, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next breakdown. Let's quickly explain what each of these apps does. Stake. This is the DIY option. You choose what stocks or ETFs you want to invest in. It gives you access to US and Aussie markets, and it's perfect if you want full control and enjoy doing a bit of research. Raiz. Fully automated, it rounds up your everyday purchases and invests the spare change in ETFs. You don't pick the investments. Raiz does it all for you. It's perfect if you want to invest without thinking about it. Spaceship. A mix of the two. You choose a portfolio like Universe or Earth, and the app invests in a curated group of companies. No stock picking, but more personality than Raiz. All of them let you start with just a few dollars and run straight from your phone. Let's look at how much they cost, because even small fees matter over time. Stake, free for ASX trades under 30K, 0.7% FX fee for US stocks, no monthly fee. Raiz, $3.50 month standard fee, pretty high if you have less than $1,000 invested. Spaceship, no monthly fee, 0.1% annual fee, under 5K, 0.05% above. Winner on fees. Spaceship for small balances. Stake is good if you trade smart. Raiz is expensive for beginners. Stake, full control. Pick your own stocks. Great for learning or if you're already into finance. Raiz, completely hands-off. Perfect for people who want to save without noticing. Spaceship. Pick a theme and the app does the rest. A nice balance between control and simplicity. Stake. Advanced tools, charts, news. Feels professional but may overwhelm beginners. Raiz. Cashback rewards, roundups, and easy automation. Great for building habits. Spaceship. Super clean interface. Explanations for each company in your portfolio, and fast to use. Best app for simplicity, Spaceship. Best app for perks, Raiz. Best for control, Stake. Still not sure which one to choose? Here's a simple way to decide. If you're a student or brand new to investing, start with Raiz or Spaceship. Raiz helps build the habit, and Spaceship gives you some control without overwhelming you. If you've got a bit of experience or want to learn the ropes, Stake is a great next step. Just remember, it takes more effort, but also teaches you the most. And if you're super busy or don't want to think about investing day to day, Raiz is your best bet. Just set it and forget it. Hot tip: don't stress about picking the perfect one. These are all great tools, and many people use more than one. You could have Raiz running in the background while putting a few hundred into Spaceship or testing a stock pick and Stake. Here's another thing to consider: how you feel when the market drops. Raiz is passive. You probably won't check it much. With Stake, if your stock falls 20%, it can feel personal. That's why beginner-friendly apps like Raiz and Spaceship are helpful. They reduce emotional decision-making. Also, think about your financial goals. Are you saving for travel, a house deposit, or just future wealth? Stake is great for learning and potential high returns, but it's not ideal for short-term goals. Raiz helps you build consistency, and Spaceship lets you align with industries you believe in, like tech or sustainability. You can also look at community and support. Stake has a more advanced user base, while Raiz and Spaceship offer simple customer support and educational content. If you're into TikTok finance, you'll see a lot of hype. But these apps actually give you structure and tools that go beyond trends. Use Stake if you want to choose your own investments and don't mind doing research. Use Raiz if you want a fully automated experience that fits into your everyday spending. Use Spaceship if you want modern portfolios, low fees, and easy hands-off investing. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more investing tips in Australia. Let us know in the comments, which app are you using? Stake, Raiz, or Spaceship? Catch you in the next one.